Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you this super glam, super out there, extra New Year's Eve look. I hope you enjoy, and also sorry about the lighting changes throughout the video. I filmed this later than usual than my other videos, but regardless, I still hope you enjoy. And you guys know I already start off with my base, and then I take my concealer and apply it to my eyelid as a primer. And I also take the lightest shade in my contour palette to set it. After applying the tape, I'm taking my Naked 2 palette, and with the shade Tease, I'm applying that as my transition color. And I'm bringing it really high up towards my eyebrow. I'm bringing it higher than my natural crease is because this look is going to be very dramatic. So that's why I want that transition color being higher up on the eye. Then with my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm taking the shade Blackout and I'm putting that into my crease. I'm applying this shade by tapping on the color and then doing circular motions. So I do that a few times on the outer parts of my eyes. I tap and then I do circular motions, and then doing small circular motions, I drag it inwards, and then I also do back and forth motions to give it a nice blend. I then took the first blending brush with no additional product to soften up the edges. Then I'm taking the darker pink highlight shade from my Carli Bybel palette into my brow bone and inner corner. Next, I will be cutting my crease, so I apply concealer to my eyelid, and then once I have that applied, I'm going to go ahead and then look up, and that's going to give me the placement of how high up I need to take the cut crease. I also need to go back in with concealer and put it a little bit on the outer parts of my eye so I can cut the crease all the way through to the wing. Next, I'm taking my Loreal Infallible eyeshadow in Silver Sky and placing that right on top of that concealer. And next, taking the NYX Glitter Primer and placing a small amount onto the same brush I used to cut my crease and to apply the silver eyeshadow. I'm going to tap that right on top of the silver, and the glitter I'm using is the NYX Glitter Brilliants in 06. And look at how gorgeous this glitter is. And now that all the glitter is applied to the eyelids, I'm going to go ahead and take off the tapes, and then I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line just a little bit. So I'm taking a small flat brush, and with the same blackout shade, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I begin from my outer parts and then I drag it inwards. And then I take a fluffier brush to smoke it out. I don't want it to look too like refined, if that makes sense. Okay, and then we're done baking, and then for highlight on my face, I'm going to combine the dark pink shade I used for my eyes and the lighter pink shade. For lashes, I'm using I Am Lashes, and these ones are in the style Zooted. And then finally lips. And sorry, this is where it starts to look dark, and I am really sorry about that, guys. Alright, so for lips, I'm first taking the NYX Liquid Suede in Brooklyn Thorn, and right on top of that, I'm taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Budapest. And so that was all for this all out extra New Year's Eve makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you guys soon.